Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Now first thing you need to do is open up your Binance app and then click on this wallet option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to switch to the account where you currently have your XRP. So I currently have XRP in my spot account. So I will just click on this support option from the top bar. But if you have XRP in your funding account, you can click on funding. So I will just switch to the spot account. After that, you just have to locate the XRP from your account. If you don't find XRP here, you can use the search icon to search for it. So just tap on it XRP, and then from this screen you have to click on this withdrawal button at the bottom of your screen. Then from this pop-up window, click on this send via crypto network option. After you do that, you will be able to see this screen. So in first option, you have to paste the wallet address from your Phantom wallet. So open up your Phantom wallet and then click on this receive button. After that, you have to choose the network that you want to use. I'm going to choose Ethereum. After that, you just have to click on this address at the bottom of your screen, and once you click on it, your wallet address will be copied to your clipboard. Then you need to go back to the Binance app and then paste the address here, and it will automatically select the network. But if it doesn't select network, you have to select the network. You have to select the same network as you have selected in your Phantom wallet. Then you also have to paste the tag if they have provided any tag, and lastly you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then simply click on withdrawal. And once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from Binance to your Phantom wallet. But keep in mind that you first have to transfer some small amount for testing. So just transfer some small amount before you transfer your full amount. So that you can be sure that you are transferring the XRP to your right address. And once the small amount received in your Phantom wallet, you can transfer full amount. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.